In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your work and home addresses in the Uber app. Whether you're a frequent commuter or just want to simplify ordering rides in the future, setting up these addresses can make your life a lot easier. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, make sure you have the Uber app installed on your device. Once you're ready, open the app. You will be greeted with the familiar home screen. To begin, look towards the bottom right of the screen where you'll see an icon labeled Account. Tap on that to access your account settings. Once you're in your account, the next step is to navigate to the settings. You can find the settings option quite easily, usually represented by a gear icon or something similar. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you to a series of customization options where you can manage different aspects of your app experience. Now we're going to add your home address. Look for an option that says home or something along those lines and go ahead and tap on add home address. You'll be prompted to either type in your home address manually or use the map to pinpoint your exact location. If you choose to type in the address, make sure it's complete and accurate to avoid any confusion during future rides. Alternatively, using the map is handy if typing is not convenient or if you want to ensure precise coordinates. After saving your home address, let's move on to your work address. Travel back to the settings menu where you can see an option to add work address. Tap on that. Just like with your home address, you can enter your work address manually. Simply start typing the address and select it from the suggested options or set it on the map. Again, accuracy is key, so double check that everything looks correct before saving. Now that both your home and work addresses are set up, you're all set for more convenient travel planning using Uber. Having these addresses saved can significantly reduce the time it takes to input your destination every time you request a ride. Additionally, Uber can sometimes recommend faster routes or even offer specific promotions based on these addresses, giving you both time and savings. And there you have it. Adding your home and work addresses in the Uber app is a quick and easy process that will end up saving you time and effort in the long run. Thanks for following along with today's tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your tech experience. Have a great day and happy traveling.